In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stylish border to your images using Canva. Whether you're looking to enhance your social media posts, design a sleek presentation, or simply add a creative flair to your personal projects, adding borders to your images can make a significant impact. Let's dive right in and break down the process step by step so you can get these eye-catching results in just a few clicks. First things first, you're going to need to open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's quite easy to set one up and it's free. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard where you'll see all your previous designs and the option to create new ones. Now you'll want to select the image that you'd like to add a border around. This can be an image you've already uploaded or a new one you're about to upload. It's a good idea to have a clear vision of what you want your final image to look like before starting, as this will make the editing process much smoother. Now that you've got your image selected, you'll need to click on the image to open up the editing options. Look over to the panel on the side and find the option labeled Edit. Clicking Edit will reveal several tools at your disposal. From here, you're going to select Shadows. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to create an illusion of space and depth, giving your image that special touch with just a border. Within the Shadows feature, locate and click Outline. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find options to adjust the border to exactly how you want it. You can change the size of your border, tweak the intensity to make it subtler or more prominent, and of course, select the color that best suits your design and aesthetic. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations until it feels just right for your project. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to save your design. Canva usually auto-saves your progress, but it's always a good practice to double-check. And now you're done. Your image with its new border is ready to be used wherever you like, adding that extra pop of style and professionalism. This whole process is quite intuitive, and after a few times, using Canva's interface will become second nature to you. So go ahead and give it a try. Adding borders is just one of the many ways you can customize your creations with Canva. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.